Hello, and welcome back to the Great Garden channel. I bought this wilted peace lily from a flea market for $1. The first time I saw it, I was almost certain it wouldn't survive. The leaves were wilted, turning yellow, and looked as if the plant had been neglected for a very long time. But instead of giving up, I decided to bring it home and try to revive it using a simple method with familiar ingredients that are readily available in the kitchen. If you also have a struggling peace lily, don't miss this video. With just a few simple steps, your plant might be able to recover too. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss more helpful plant care tips. Let's get started. The first thing I need to do is use sterilized pruning scissors to remove all of the yellow, dry, and wilted leaves. Removing these leaves helps the plant reduce the amount of nutrients wasted on old, weakened foliage, and instead focus its energy on healthy leaves and new shoots. At the same time, removing damaged leaves improves air circulation around the plant, helps limit fungal growth, and creates better conditions for a faster recovery. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, water the growing medium with just enough water to moisten it evenly and rehydrate the root system. This helps reduce dehydration while allowing the roots to function more steadily. Then wait about 24 hours for the water to soak evenly throughout the growing medium. At the same time, prepare a solution to support the plant. The first ingredient I'm using is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is not only a familiar cooking ingredient, but is also commonly used by many gardeners to help care for plants. Add 500 milliliters of hot water to the glass. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder to the water. Turmeric powder contains curcumin, along with many natural antioxidant compounds. When used properly, many gardeners use turmeric powder to help suppress the growth of certain fungi and keep the area around the base of the plant cleaner. Use a spoon to stir thoroughly until the turmeric powder is completely mixed into the water. Stirring well helps distribute the active compounds evenly, improves their extraction into the solution, and allows the plant to benefit more effectively during the following care steps. Cover the container and let the turmeric solution steep for 24 hours. After 24 hours, if the leaves begin to feel firmer, the stems remain firm, and the plant no longer continues to wilt, it indicates that the plant is still alive and can continue to be cared for. On the other hand, if the leaves continue to become soft and mushy, the stems become water-soaked, or the roots develop a foul smell, the chances of recovery will be very low. At the same time, once the turmeric solution has cooled completely, strain it through a fine sieve, removing all of the residue and keeping only the clear liquid without any sediment. Which country are you watching this video from? It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, Please hit the subscribe button to support the channel and never miss any houseplant care tips. The next ingredient I'm using is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 contains thiamine, a vitamin that many gardeners commonly use to help reduce plant stress after repotting or pruning. It may also help encourage healthier root development and support faster plant recovery. Next, add 1 vitamin B, 1 tablets to the strained turmeric solution. Stir thoroughly until the tablets dissolve completely and blend evenly into the solution before use. Then add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. That's it. Our plant care solution is ready to use. Method 1. First, soak a soft cotton pad in the turmeric and vitamin B1 solution, then gently wipe both sides of each leaf. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust, residue, and other impurities from the leaf surface, allowing the plant to photosynthesize more efficiently and absorb light more effectively. The turmeric and vitamin B1 solution helps support the plant in reducing stress, keeps the leaf surfaces cleaner, and creates better conditions for the leaves to remain green, firm, and healthy. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience with indoor plants, feel free to post in the community tab of the channel. Let's learn, share, and grow together as plant lovers every day. Method 2. Pour the turmeric and vitamin B1 solution into a spray bottle, then gently mist the entire plant, including the base, stems, branches, and both sides of the leaves. Misting helps maintain moderate humidity and supports the plant's recovery after repotting or pruning. Turmeric helps keep the stems and the base of the plant cleaner, while vitamin B1 is commonly used by many gardeners to help stimulate new root growth and support healthier plant development. If this video helps you better understand how to properly care for your plants, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos. If you're having any difficulties while taking care of your plants, feel free to share your plant's condition in the comments so we can find the right solution together. Method 3. Pour the remaining solution into the bottom of a hydroponic container. Allow the roots to soak in the solution for about 15 to 20 minutes so they can absorb moisture and the nutrients in the solution, helping support recovery and encourage new root formation. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove the plant from the solution. Then pour just enough clean water into the hydroponic container so that the water level touches only the lowest roots. Avoid submerging the entire root system to reduce the risk of root rot. Continue this routine consistently for 5 weeks, and you'll begin to notice the difference. Results. After about 2 months of consistently following this method, you'll notice your peace lily becoming significantly greener and healthier. New leaves will continue to emerge. They will be larger, thicker, darker green, and beautifully glossy. Older leaves will also stay green longer and will be less likely to turn yellow or develop dry edges. The root system will become much stronger, producing many new white root tips that help the plant absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, resulting in steady growth and less wilting. When the blooming season arrives, the plant will produce more new flower buds. The buds will develop evenly and bloom into large white flowers that maintain their color well and last much longer, keeping the plant looking fresh and full of life. What plant would you like me to cover in my next video? Leave your suggestion in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future videos about ornamental plant care. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.